In this video, I will go over how to use the scanning wizard and simulate a new scanning session using the update SimScan file. In TE, I will click on Tools at the very top. I will then click on Scanning Wizard, the first option on the drop-down box. I will leave it selected to New Scanning Session on the left, and then click on Next. I will select Simulate Scanning at the top, and then I'll click Next. Since these are update records I'm scanning, I will select Update for test for front side, and then leave None for backside. I'll click Next. At the top, I will click on Scan. I've already made a folder called SimScan Files. In this folder, I will have my update SimScan file. I'll double click on that. I will have a confirmation pop up, and then I will click OK. And then I'll click Next. On this page, I'll leave it as selected to select field overrides, and then I'll click Next. On this page, I will add a Cite to all records by checking off the Cite checkbox, and then I'll click on the drop down. In this example, I'll use 01 North Campus, and then I'll click Next. I will leave these checkboxes as is. I'll click Next. On this page, we will have all the records and the indication of it being valid or invalid. The first column will give us the status and tells us which record is invalid. The clear ones are valid. For record 2, we have it as invalid. And if we highlight on record 2, we will get a description at the bottom, and it will give us an indication of what is invalid. Student ID is invalid for this record, so we'll go ahead and click on Edit Records. I'll check off Student ID to input a correct student ID. Once that's inputted, I'll scroll down. I'll click Save. And now, as you can see, the status changed. It's cleared out, and now it's a valid record. I will highlight the third record and see why it's invalid. And it's the update column that's invalid. So I'll highlight that and click on Edit Records. I will check off Update Records. Update Date. And I will input the correct date. Once I have my update date, I'll scroll down and click Save. And now that's cleared out. So the fourth record is invalid. And also we have it as an update date as being invalid. So we'll highlight that and then click Edit Records. Again, we'll click Update Date, check that off. We could also use the calendar here. And in this case, I'll go back to April. And I'll click on April 2nd. After that, I'll scroll down, click Save, and every record is now cleared out, and I have 5 valid records now. So I'll click Next. On this page, it's giving us a confirmation that 5 valid records will be attempted to be imported into TOPS Pro Enterprise database. I'll click Next. And now TE is processing these records. We will have a progress bar at the bottom here. I'll have a confirmation page now saying that 5 records has been successfully imported into the TOPS Pro Enterprise database. I will click Finish. And that concludes this video on how to simulate a new scanning session using the update file record.